Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing how to lock and unlock your keyboard on Windows 11 using two methods, the Windows settings and a keyboard shortcut. So, let's get started. The first method is through Windows settings. Open Settings and click on Accessibility. Here look for the keyboard option and turn on Filter Keys. This will lock your keyboard, so if you try to type, nothing will happen. To unlock the keyboard, simply turn off filter keys and your keyboard will be functional again. The second method is a keyboard shortcut. Press and hold the right Shift key for 8 to 10 seconds. A Filter Keys pop-up will appear. Click Yes to lock your keyboard. To unlock it, press and hold the right Shift key again for 8 to 10 seconds until you hear beep and the keyboard will unlock. And that's it. Now you know two simple ways to lock and unlock your keyboard on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.